So, I'm already on the broker. Let's start trading. I have $500 on my balance, and in today's trade, we will open each position in the amount of $150. We continue the trend of trading on this Telegram bot based on signals. It is based on artificial intelligence, and that's why this trading bot shows really impressive results, and each of my trades is fixed with a certain profit as a result of trading. There are always more positive signals than negative ones, so why not we will continue to trade on this, but actually let's start trading. In order to get a signal, we click on this button and wait for the market analysis. Great. We have the first currency pair, and here we will open a position for a decline which is not quite satisfactory for the payout percentage. 71% is a fairly small percentage. So let's select a new entry point, waiting for the market analysis. There is a new currency pair, and here our position will open for an increase. Let's open a position. The opening takes place for an increase according to the newly appeared upward dynamics after updating the global minimum. Let's look at the result of the first signal, about 40 seconds before completion. And unfortunately, the first signal is closed in the negative. That's okay. Let's find a new entry point. We're waiting for the market analysis. We have a new currency pair, and here we will open a deal for an increase on the formation of a global structural maximum. We will open a position here in general. The conditions for opening a position are quite difficult. I count 40 seconds to completion. Let's see the result. We have worked out the second signal quite confidently. We are fixing the first profit. We continue trading. We will select a new entry point. We are waiting for the market analysis. Great. We have a new signal, and here our position will open downwards in the direction of the theory of the dynamics that you see for this section of the movement. And in general, the nature of the overall trend is also downward, so the opening in the direction of the real trend dynamics after such an impulsive pullback in the form of the previous candle. Let's see for the result. Great. We have achieved a fairly confident closing on this signal. We continue trading. We will select a new entry point, and we are waiting for the market analysis. Great. There's a new currency pair here, and here our position will open for an increase. The opening occurs again at the formation of a global maximum for this section of the movement. In my opinion, the conditions for opening a position are quite difficult. But we have already opened a deal, so we are watching its result about 35 seconds before completion. Great. The signal also worked out quite confidently. We fixed this deal as a plus. We continue trading. We will select a new entry point. We are waiting for the market analysis. Great. We have a new currency pair. Here, our position will open downwards in the direction of the general trend dynamic so far. After the formation of the global maximum, our trend has changed its direction. Let's look at the result of this signal. 40 seconds before the transaction is completed. Great. The signal has worked out quite confidently for us. Let's select a new entry point. We are waiting for the market analysis. Great, we have a new currency pair, and here our position will open up, and here the position opens against the trend dynamics, in my opinion. Under such conditions, I probably would not have opened the position on my own. We had a fairly strong impulsive downward trend before, but we also have a downward trend, and here we have already seen the exit to the top. But it was not so impulsive, but still, since the downward trend dynamics may end, but as I say, the conditions for entry are very difficult. Let's see the result 20 seconds before completion. Yes, and unfortunately our signal worked out in the negative. It's okay in general. I'll probably end today's trading process with this result. At the end of 6 signals, we have 4 positive and 2 negative trades, and at the end of 6 trades, we recorded $252 net profit. This is an excellent result. A link to, I will definitely leave the bot in the description under the video. Have a nice day, and see you soon.